Welcome to Natural Earth Living, where we reconnect with the healing wisdom of plants and the power of self-sufficiency. Today, we're diving into something ancient, beautiful, and deeply empowering: how to grow your own apothecary garden. This is more than a collection of herbs. It's a living medicine chest that supports your body, your spirit, and your connection to the earth. What is an apothecary garden? Historically, an apothecary garden was a sacred space where medicinal herbs were grown to treat common ailments. These plants were dried, steeped, tinctured, or turned into salves by healers and herbalists, long before pharmacies existed. Today, you can bring that same healing power into your backyard, even into pots on your porch. Choose a sunny spot with 6 to 8 hours of light. Most medicinal herbs love full sun and well-draining soil. Don't worry if you have limited space. Many thrive in containers. Use organic soil, mulch to retain moisture, and plant companions together for pest resistance and harmony. Top 12 apothecary herbs to grow and how to use them. 1. Chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla. Benefits: calms anxiety, soothes digestion, helps with sleep. Growing: annual, full sun, harvest flower heads. Use: tea, compress for irritated skin. 2. Echinacea purpurea. Benefits: immune booster, cold and flu support. Growing: perennial, full sun, prefers well-drained soil. Use: tincture root or petals. Tea for seasonal support. 3. Calendula officinalis. Benefits: skin healing, anti-inflammatory, antifungal. Growing: easy annual, love sun. Use: infused oil, salves, teas, skin washes. 4. Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis. Benefits: eases stress, improves mood, helps sleep. Growing: perennial, spreads easily, grow in pots. Use: fresh or dried in tea. Tinctures for nerves. 5. Yarrow, Achillea millefolium. Benefits: stops bleeding, supports wound healing, fever reducer. Growing: hardy perennial, full sun, drought tolerant. Use: crushed fresh for cuts or dry for tea and tincture. Tulsi, holy basil, Ocimum sanctum. Benefits: adaptogen, stress balancer, immune support. Growing: treat like basil, loves warmth. Use: tea, tinctures, infused oil for calming. 7. Thyme, Thymus vulgaris. Benefits: antibacterial, respiratory support. Growing: perennial, full sun, low water. Use: tea for coughs, steam inhalation. 8. Plantain, Plantago. Benefits: skin healer, anti-inflammatory, draws out toxins. Growing: common wild herb, keep it from going to seed. Use: poultice for stings, cuts, infused oil. Tea for digestion, lavender, Lavandula angustifolia. Benefits: calms anxiety, promotes restful sleep, antifungal. Growing: full sun, dry soil, do not overwater. Use: sachets, tea, infused oil, skin salves. 10. Sage, Salvia officinalis. Benefits: hormone support, sore throat relief, memory tonic. Growing: perennial in warm zones. Use: gargle, tea, infused vinegar. 11. Nettle Urtica dioica. Benefits: blood builder, allergy relief, rich in iron and minerals. Growing: moist soil, partial shade, use gloves. Use: dried for tea, hair rinses, mineral broth. 12. Valeriana officinalis. Benefits: deep sleep aid, calming for anxiety. Growing, moist soil, full or partial sun. Use, root tincture. Combine with chamomile or lemon balm. Harvest early in the day when essential oils are strongest. Dry herbs in bundles or on screens in a dark, dry, well-ventilated space. Once crisp, store in glass jars. Label with the name and date. Dried herbs stay potent up to a year. You don't need to be a trained herbalist to start making simple remedies. Here's a few basics you can make with your apothecary garden. Infusions, teas. Steep dried herbs 10 to 15 minutes. Tinctures, alcohol-based extracts. Preserve medicine for years. Herbal oils. Infuse dried herbs in oil, like olive or jojoba. Salves. Combine infused oil with beeswax for skin healing. Poultices. Crush fresh herbs and apply directly to wounds or bites. Bonus tips for building a beautiful apothecary garden. Create a medicinal herb spiral for visual appeal and easy access. Group plants by sun and water needs. Add bee-friendly flowers to attract pollinators. Decorate with old jars, signs, and stones to create a sacred healing space. A home apothecary garden isn't just about growing plants. It's about reclaiming your health, reconnecting with tradition, and remembering that real medicine often grows at our feet. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow plant lovers. And let us know in the comments, what herbs are growing in your apothecary garden? This is Natural Earth Living, reminding you to grow wild, live rooted, and heal naturally.